एक्चुअली मेरे अंडरगारमेंट्स कम हो गए थे, तो अंडरगारमेंट्स खरीदने में दिल्ली चला गया था।
Amid hectic political developments in Jharkhand, Chief Minister Hemant Soren's brother and MLA Basant Soren made a controversial statement. Soren is MLA from Dumka, which is on the boil following the rape and murder of two girls. Back from a Delhi trip, Soren met the families of the girls. Asked the reason for his Delhi visit, he said, and I quote, "I had run out of undergarments, so I went to Delhi to purchase them. I get them from there," he said, smiling. In the video clip tweeted by news agency ANI, Soren admitted that there was some political unrest in the state, but stressed that the situation is stable now.
बीच में हल्का थोड़ा बहुत हुआ था हलचल, लेकिन स्थिर है सब चीज ठीक।
सर, उस हलचल में आप भी दिल्ली चले गए थे?
हाँ गए थे। एक्चुअली हम पिछले ये भी बताए थे कि एक्चुअली मेरे अंडरगारमेंट्स कम हो गए थे, तो अंडरगारमेंट्स खरीदने में दिल्ली चला गया था।
दिल्ली से लाते हैं?
हाँ, हम दिल्ली से लाते हैं।
The comment gave sharp rise to criticism from opposition parties. Nishikant Dubey is the BJP MP from Godda and the party's prominent face in Jharkhand. Taking a swipe at the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha or JMM MLA, he tweeted in Hindi, which loosely translated read, "The son of Shibu Soren, leader of the poor and tribals, goes to Delhi to buy undergarments." The BJP MP said that this is why the MLA could not meet the victims' families. Several others on social media have flagged the bizarre remark and slammed the legislator. Jharkhand is in the middle of a political unrest as Chief Minister Soren may be disqualified for granting a mining lease to himself while in office. However, Soren has won a test of strength in assembly and proved that he still enjoys the support of the majority of MLAs. The Chief Minister has accused the BJP of trying to destabilize his government.
बीच में हल्का थोड़ा बहुत हुआ था हलचल, लेकिन स्थिर है सब चीज ठीक।
सर, उस हलचल में आप भी दिल्ली चले गए थे?
हाँ गए थे। एक्चुअली हम पिछले ये भी बताए थे कि एक्चुअली मेरे अंडरगारमेंट्स कम हो गए थे, तो अंडरगारमेंट्स खरीदने में दिल्ली चला गया था।
दिल्ली से लाते हैं?
हाँ, हम दिल्ली से लाते हैं।